What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Check out how nice the weather is today. It's been like this for like a week now and we're enjoying the last day because Camacho tomorrow
it's gonna snow.
Yes. But because it is so nice today, we're gonna take full advantage of it. We're gonna head over to Tire Rack to pick up my new tires. In a couple of the previous videos that we've posted, you guys have seen that my current tires right now are completely shot. This is actually the second set of tires that I have completely ruined within the past year.
Including Marco's too.
And that too, I actually also ruined Marco's tires when he let me run his wheels. So that's gonna be 3 sets of tires that I've ruined within the past year. I thought it was now a good time to get tires for the STI. That way I only have the anti-lift kit to do, and then we can get the STI aligned.
Oh, what the?
Oh, what?
Okay,
let's
go.
Yeah, always time for snacks.
Chevron.
Hey Marco, I just told him about the tires I kind of ruined that were yours.
I'm good right now.
Ongo was looking like a snack today, but he said no, so had to get our own. So we made it, guys, but before we pick up the tires, we came to Auto and Truck Wrecking. These guys were at the airport before, but they switched locations. I think this is like a bigger location, but this is where we find all the wrecked parts for Subaru. So I was gonna try and get a front bumper today. See if we can find one. You guys know that Marco's front end is beat up right now, and we actually found a front clip for it. Check it out. We actually couldn't find anything for Ongo's or Marco's car. I think Ongo's gonna have to just buy a new one. So down the street from the wrecking yard is actually Geared Performance, and we saw Javi's car outside of there. He actually got dyno tuned today, so we're gonna surprise visit them and see how much his car made. Oh, and they just posted Ruben's car right now.
Literally like a minute ago.
Dude, let's surprise visit. Just pull up in the garage like Ongo said, and we'll let them come to us, roll the windows up. Go, go, go. Oh, they don't know, they don't know, they don't know.
Are they coming?
No, chill.
Hey! Hey! Come here, bro, come here. What's up, Bobby?
Dude, we're gonna wait till they walk up to us.
Sorry.
If you guys don't know Ruben and Javi, that was Ruben's bug eye on the dyno, and this is Javi's GC that was on the dyno earlier today. I'm gonna link their Instagrams down below. Go check them out, guys. Made it to Tire Rack. Let's go inside and get some tires. Yeah. Here we have yours. Guys, check out all the tires. That's crazy. Back it up.
You don't know what you mean to me. I'm so glad to have you all my head. So glad to have you all my head. I'm so glad to have you all.
We got all the tires loaded up into the back of the bed. I'll tell you guys a little more about them a little later. But it's time to catch a bite to eat.
Bro, you're my trainer. I gotta fight tonight.
1-2. Give me the 1-2, bro. Come on. 1-2. Hit it. I want you to duck on the next one. Dude, you would have. Play number 3, we got the hand rolls. Is that first round was like 14 rolls. Fuck. Round 2 is weak, boys.
Oh, I got a fart.
Guys, sushi was bomb as always. I'm so full.
Evan Bourne stunning Orton. No way. No way. Randy Orton's halfway across the ring. There's absolutely no way. Evan Bourne's going for airborne, ladies and gentlemen. You gotta be kidding me.
It did get a little late last night, so I wasn't able to show you guys the new tires. But nonetheless, we made it back, and here they are, guys. New tires for the STI. After 2 years of owning this car, I'm so happy that we finally got all of these suspension problems fixed. No more toe issues. That means we won't be going through tires like crazy anymore. The only other thing that I need is an anti-lift kit, which I'm gonna be ordering today. That way we can throw it on next week. And then we'll finally head over to get it aligned. And that's it, guys. This suspension will be 100% dialed in. But anyways, guys, let's show you what tire I went with. I chose to go with a Continental Extreme Contact Sport. I went with a 285/30/18. You guys are probably wondering why I went with a 285 this time instead of a 295, which I currently have on the STI. I can't tell you guys just yet, but I promise you it's so exciting. I can't wait to tell you guys. But if you think you know why I went with a 285 instead of a 295, leave a comment down below. Anyways, about this tire, guys, I've heard a lot of mixed reviews about it. Some people like them, some people don't. The number one thing that people complained about was the tread wear. They said it did not live up to its expectation and they were not lasting very long. But the one thing that people really, really liked about this tire was the grip. So as you can see by the name, Extreme Contact, you would expect them to grip very, very well. That being said, if any of you guys have ever run this exact tire, let me know what you guys thought about it in the comments. Other than that, guys, I cannot wait to run these tires and see how they do. To be honest with you guys, this is my very first ever set of expensive tires. I've always cheaped out on tires, and it wasn't until Ruben and Javi came along where they like made me realize, why cheap out on the only thing that your car touches the ground with? I just think that's a really good way to put it, and I guarantee you guys that I will never ever cheap out on tires again. But anyways, let me know down below what you think about the new tires. I cannot wait to get them on the STI, but we'll just have to be a little patient.